Hi guys, it's Sandy here. Firstly, if you're new here, I am a South African YouTuber and I post beauty and lifestyle videos every week, so do make sure to subscribe if you aren't. So this year, I did say that I want to start taking care of my hair properly because I haven't been doing so for the past 23 years of my life. And Ultimate Stylist was kind enough to help me out on this new journey that I'm about to undertake. If you're in Port Elizabeth, Ultimate Stylist is a hair salon that has been around for a very long time in the area. They are located at Walmer Park Shopping Centre as well as Baywest Shopping Centre, and they've sent me a bunch of products to help me take care and to maintain my newly dyed hair. I'm actually really excited to make that switch from commercial hair products to professional hair care products. I feel like this is going to be quite similar to me making that switch over to Korean skincare and high-end skincare. The products that you buy have a lot purer, highly concentrated ingredients, and these products tend to last a really long time, so overall it's a better investment. So I have no idea what's in here. This is such a gorgeous box. A huge thank you to Ultimate Stylist for hand picking these goodies and sending them to me. So let's open this up. Also, here is the little business card. I will put their socials and details down below in the description if you want to pop into their salon. Their stylists are so friendly, so professional. The salon is all up to par with COVID regulations and they take it very seriously. So I also did a vlog of when I first colored my hair at Ultimate Stylist. Okay, I'll show you what's in here first. What are you seeing? I don't know what you're seeing. Okay, so we have a little note. On this sheet, I have a note of everything that's inside this box. And then we have a little pamphlet advertising the nail bar that they also have in the salon. So if you do pop into Ultimate Stylist, you can also get your nails done there. Can you see? Can you see? Because you're seeing this before me. Ooh, I see sparkles. I was so drawn towards the sparkles. So this is a detangling wet brush. This is my current hairbrush for reference, and I bought this because of the sparkles. It's so old and ratchet and the bristles are kind of falling out. I think this is a very good reference for how badly I've been treating my hair. These types of detangling wet brushes can retail from around 180 to 250 Rand. And you need to remember this is also an investment because this looks like really good quality and is probably going to last a good couple of years. The whole idea behind this is going to minimize pain and protect your hair against split ends and breakage, and it'll let you brush your hair using less force so you can detangle your hair without damaging it. I definitely damage my hair when I comb it out because I'm very much steerable, I know. Next up we have a shampoo, and this is the Matrix Total Results Keep Me Vivid shampoo. This is going to help me retain my hair color for a longer period of time, right? Because a lot of the shampoos that you can buy in your supermarkets actually cause your color in your hair to wash out faster. And I also really want a shampoo that's going to help hydrate my hair, keep it healthy, keep it shiny, you know, while I have the color in. This typically retails for around 235 Rand, and this is a 300ml bottle. I've been told that professional hair care products last a lot longer than the ones you find in a supermarket. So if you think about it, you are definitely saving money in the long run because this could last you, you know, depending on how much hair you have, for around 5 to 6 months. Let's smell this. Ooh. Oh, it's so sweet. Feel a bit of a tropical vibe going on. Ooh, and then we have the Matrix Total Results Matching Conditioner. So this is the combination, the shampoo and the conditioner. And this one retails for 240 Rand. I love the smell. It's so sweet and fruity. So this is supposed to smell like vanilla, coconut, and cotton candy. The shampoo and conditioner, they are sulfate free, But here's the thing, people have this misconception that all sulfates are bad and they damage your hair. Come to learn that not all sulfates are bad for your hair. It might be harmful if you specifically have a allergy or you are sensitive to sulfates. It's always good to read up what type of sulfate is actually in your product. So using this combination of the Matrix Total Results Conditioner and Shampoo should help my hair color last up to 21 washes. And you guys know that putting color in your hair can be quite costly, so it's always good to protect that color and actually get your money's worth out of that color. Ooh, we have another bottle in here. So this is the Indola Color Blast Pigmented Conditioner. This is going to specifically help keep in that vibrant red color that I have in my hair. It's recommended that I use this product every second week or as needed. This is definitely my first time ever using a type of pigmented conditioner specific for the color that I have in my hair. Okay, and now I see we have some other little goodies in here. We have this gorgeous scrunchie, and this quality feels amazing. It's so thick and feels so durable, and this is from Saturday's Clothing SA. I will link them down below in the description so that you can check them out and see some of the other products that they sell. Then we have a little face mask. I do believe Ultimate Stylists sell this in store, so you can just ask them, you know, at their front desk to purchase one of these. Oh, this feels like really good material, and it's reversible. Look at that, 2 different styles. But I'm definitely loving the thickness of this. I feel like this is going to fit my face so well. Ooh, I think they might sell this in store as well. This is a little bow hair tie. Let's try this on. This hairband is really soft, so this is not the damaging type, but I love this material on this. I love this. It's so cute. You can see the little bow from the side. Ooh, and there's like 2 more things in here. I think this is another scrunchie. No, I don't think this is a scrunchie. I think this is the scrunchie bob. What you do with this is, if you have a tight hair elastic around your hair for maybe like a bun or some sort of ponytail or something, then what you do is you just like put this over that hair just to kind of cover that like plain elastic band that you have. And again, the material is really good quality. And then the last thing in here is these cute little hair clips. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm just going to put it in here for demonstration. How cute! And that's it. That's all the goodies I received from Ultimate Stylists Hair Salon. I'm really excited to get to using these products. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching this little unboxing video. I do hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!